Dear students, now I am going to teach you exercise 5.1 complex numbers and quadratic equations. And in previous video, I have defined the complex numbers. Thereafter, we will see some important topics here. Equality of two complex numbers. What is actually this? If we have two complex numbers, like two complex numbers, first Z1, second Z2, so Z1 is equal to A1 plus IB1. Actually, complex number is form of Z is equal to A plus IB, but there are two complex numbers, so it is Z1 equal to A1 plus IB1 and Z2 is equal to A2 plus IB2 are said to be equal. कति बेला इक्वल हुन्छ? In which case, if A1 is equal to A2, यो जुन A1 छ A2 को equal होस् and this B1 equal to B2, so we can say these two complex numbers are equal. So it is the equality of two complex numbers. Now next definition is conjugate. What is conjugate of complex number? Conjugate भन्ने चीज के हो? If we have complex number Z is equal to A plus IB, if it is complex number, then A minus IB. A minus IB is called the conjugate of Z. यसको डिनोट कसरी गर्छ? Z बारलाई डिनोट गर्नुपर्छ यो. Z bar equal to A minus IB. If A minus IB, for example, if Z equal to A minus IB given, if this complex number is given, so what is conjugate of this? Conjugate को के डिनोट गर्नुपर्छ Z bar equal to this. If it is minus, it becomes plus. तो A plus IB को conjugate के हुन्छ A minus IB, A minus B conjugate के हुन्छ A plus IB. Next is modulus, mod of. In the short we can say modulus of a complex number. Let Z is equal to A plus IB be a complex number, then modulus of Z is defined as root over A square plus B square. यसलाई भन्छ mod of this complex number, and which is written as mod of Z is equal to root A square plus B square. For example, if we have any complex number like Z is equal to suppose 3 plus I5, so it is of the form of A plus IB. A is 3, B is 5. So what is modulus of this complex number? So what is formula of this? A square plus B square. So if we compare from this A plus IB, we are getting here A is equal to 3. The square of 3 plus what is B? B is 5. 5 square. It is the modulus of the complex number. Mod of Z. In short we can say mod. So mod of Z equal to A square plus B square. Value of A is 3 square plus value of B is 5 square. So we get here 3 square 9 plus 5 into 5 25. This becomes 34. So it is the mod of Z. Like this we will define the modulus of any complex number. So students, let's see next power of I. How to define power of I? We have I cube, I power 4, I to the power 5, I to the power minus 1. So how to solve this? So most important thing here, I square equal to minus 1. Always we take this value I square is equal to minus 1. You should know this thing. In each and every powers of I, we use this I square is equal to minus 1. So I cube, how to solve this? I to the power 3. First we take I square because we know the value of the I square. The I square into I garda के पाउँछ यो I cube, because I power 2, I power 1. After addition we get I cube. Now what is I square? I square is minus 1 into I. So what is answer? Minus I. So I cube becomes minus I. Now I to the power 4. So we write सबैमा हामीले I to the power 2 I square निकाल्नु ट्राई गर्नुपर्छ. So it becomes I square को square, because power to the power will be multiplied. 2 to the 4 and I square equal to minus 1, I square value minus 1 to the power square. This becomes minus 1 into minus 1. This becomes plus 1. So it is the answer of this. Now I to the power 5 equal to, first we take I square and this I square into I square into this will write So I to the power 5 equal to, how to break this, I square into I square, 2 2 is 4. So we are getting here I to the power 4 and other will be into I. So I 2 to the power 4, I to I मिल कर देगा I to the power 5. This equal to value of the I square minus 1 again square into I minus 1 square 1 into I, this equal to I. So I to the power 5 is becoming I. Now next I to the power minus 1. So it is written as 1 by I. It is the inverse. I inverse. It is written like this, 1 by I. And 1 by I, how to solve this? We rationalize this. यता तल I छ भने माथि पनि I लेख्यो. यसलाई RF भन्छ rationalize. This equal to I भन्छ I by I into I square. And value of the I square is minus 1. I divided by 1, it becomes I, this minus. So I to the power minus 1 equal to minus I. So these things are